Hey guys, welcome to a tour of my hotel room. Today I'm staying at the Wind Creek Bethlehem. Excuse me, Wind Creek Bethlehem in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So this is part of the casino. You probably heard of the Wind Creek Bethlehem casino. This is the hotel side. So here we are. I think I have the lights all open. Hold on, let me turn everything on. Okay, there we go. So we have here these buttons if you need service or if you want privacy. You just turn those on. I'm going to leave the privacy button on. And we have this foyer right here, very big. Over here is the bathroom. So I like the detail of the wall here. I thought that was very nice. And then we have here the main sink area. I don't know if there is a drawer. No, I guess not. But we do have some amenities here from Wind Creek. Nice mirror. We have a very large shower. There's the shower head. And then makeup mirror. Very nice. I think there's even, there is a seat over there if you need one in this shower. So very nice. Over there we have in the hallway a full-length mirror, and then the closet. Oh, we do have a luggage rack here, and on this is where the safe is. And then some extra drawers down there. So they do have laundry service here, and here is where the hairdryer is. And then we have the bedroom area, which is very large, as you can see. Temperature control is over here. You have your phone, reading lights over there. The desk area, also very big, with a very large TV, flat screen TV. And here you have the fridge. Yes. Keurig coffee, love this. I like Keurig. I have one at home, so we do have the menu here. Sorry, let me shove my stuff over. And then a small sitting area. There is a little seat area over there. Clock, outlets, etc. I like this cushion thing too. And this is my view. So I believe this town used to be a town where they manufactured steel. So this is part of the hotel. That's part of the hotel. I'm not sure what this is, but I know that when we walked in, I don't know, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that bridge over there, it says Wind Creek across the bridge, and that was what we saw when we drove up to this place. So yeah, this is my hotel at the Wind Creek Bethlehem, in case you were thinking about staying here. We have a lamp here too. So this is the hotel room, very spacious. If you are thinking about coming to Bethlehem, please consider the Wind Creek. I'm here.